another thing we can improve is, so whenever these enemy aircrafts are shooting, they are shooting at the same time. So let's see if we can add some randomness to it. So let's go to the logic we had to shoot these bullets. So here we are telling if remainder of ticks when it's divided by 10,000, if it is equivalent to 0, then try to shoot the enemy bullets. So let's see how can we improve this. So what we can do is we can add some randomness here. So we can say one off, and we can give a list of values. So let's say 10,000, and let's say something like 15,000, and again another value like 25,000. So let's see what happens now. Now you will see different aircrafts are shooting at different times. Because we added a list of values to choose from, and now everyone is not shooting at the same time. Now I think our game is in a good position now. So we can play it one more time and try to win. Yeah, I have only one enemy remaining. Yeah, so this time I was able to win. So that's the end of this tutorial. Further, you can check the models library and get some understanding of how NetLogo is helping us to model various situations when we want to do agent modeling and simulation. So this is a very widely used product. Even though NetLogo is not really a game engine like Unity 3D or Sierra Construct, we can still develop some games. Mainly I decided to do this tutorial because it covered many concepts such as turtles, patches, and links. So I will share the code of this game also, so you can go through the code and understand the various modifications we did throughout the tutorial and what's the final status of the code.